Today, we are going to discuss Business Manager 365 Barcoding System. I'm Scott Lewis, President of Liberty One Software, and I want to thank you for your interest in Business Manager 365. And I'm looking forward to showing you more about Business Manager 365. Our mobile app focuses on managing parts, equipment, and inventory, which has always been a challenge, especially if you have field purchase parts that might or might not get recorded in the system. Business Manager 365 Barcoding System is fully integrated into our mobile app for Android and Apple, and into the parts and assets and inventory system within Business Manager 365. The goal with Business Manager 365 is to improve and streamline work processes and increase productivity and increasing revenue. And the barcoding system within Business Manager has certainly helped us achieve that. Barcoding has become a powerful tool for field people. The main purpose for developing the Business Manager mobile app and embedding barcoding is to focus around how do we make field people and mobile users more productive and increase customer satisfaction. The Business Manager 365 mobile app focuses on three main areas: time and attendance, clock in, clock out, functionality with geofencing, service ticket management, and parts and inventory and tracking of historical information on any items. There has been significant decreases in inventory mistakes, reducing unneeded parts because we already had them in inventory, the ability to verify warranty information, purchasing information in the field simply by scanning a barcode. Within Business Manager, just like the web app, the mobile app has a version for the customers to access their information. The customers can check inventory levels, warranty information, purchasing information, open tickets, update tickets, and much more simply by scanning a barcode. There are no special barcode stickers required for Business Manager 365. You can use your own, or you can use the manufacturer barcode that is already attached to that piece of equipment. If you are interested in learning more about Business Manager 365 or seeing a demo of Business Manager 365, you can call 877-379-8279 to talk to a sales representative. I'm Scott Lewis, and I am very excited about Business Manager 365 and helping other service-based businesses reach new levels of success. And just as always, a reminder, we are a woman-owned veteran business.